If you're checking your credit score in 2025 and wondering why FICO and VantageScore show different numbers, here's what matters. Both use similar credit data and both range from 300 to 850, but they weigh factors differently. How soon you get a score. VantageScore can rate you with about 1 month of credit history, while FICO usually needs 6 months plus recent activity. Factor weighting. FICO emphasizes credit utilization and length of history. VantageScore leans more on payment history and treats accounts more evenly. Limited credit history. VantageScore is often easier to obtain if you're new to credit or rebuilding, since it scores earlier than FICO. Lender adoption. FICO remains the primary score for major banks, mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. VantageScore is widely used by credit monitoring apps, pre-qualifications, and some online lenders. So what does this mean in 2025? If you have thin credit, VantageScore gives you a score sooner. If you're applying for major loans, FICO is what lenders typically check. A higher or lower VantageScore compared to FICO doesn't mean an error, just different models. Bottom line, FICO and VantageScore are two lenses on your credit. FICO dominates traditional lending. VantageScore is more accessible for new borrowers. Use both as guides, keep balances low, pay on time, and don't stress over small score differences.